Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, I think you are hale and hearty, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to teach you English second part of class 8, and my today's topic is narration. Dear students, in the previous classes I have discussed some basic rules of narration, and today I am going to teach you the next rules of narration. Okay, come to the point. Dear students, firstly comes the point. If we want to change direct narration into indirect narration, firstly I can give you some basic information about tense. That means present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Next, number 3, am is are, that means present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. That means am is are will be changed into was were. Then we have to add ing form with the main verb of the sentence. Next, was were would be changed into had been, and have as would be changed into had. That means present perfect tense would be changed into past perfect tense, and shall will be changed into would, and can will be could, might would be, may would be might, and must would be had to. And dear students, notice here, if must indicates obligation or compulsion, then we have to use must. That means must will not be changed. That means must will be unchanged. And in general sentence, must will be changed into had to. And at the time of obligation, that means if must indicates compulsion or obligation, then must will remain unchanged. Next, dear students, can will be could, and shall will be changed would, and shall will be should, may will be might. But if we find in direct narration could, would, should, might, then all these words will be remain unchanged when we will change direct narration. When we will change direct narration into indirect narration, then could, would, should, might will be unchanged totally. Next, today will be changed into that day, and yesterday will be changed into the previous day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day. Dear students, I think this topic is totally clear to you, so I can go to next topics. Okay. Dear students, number 14. Now would be then. That means now, that means এখন, and then তখন. Dear students, now will be changed into then, and here would be there. Come will be changed into go. Dear students, follow to me. I have tried my level best to give you the basic idea of tense, and now I can give you some example. In the previous classes I have discussed about persons, about the change of comma, and about the change of reporting verb, that means said to. And today I have discussed the basic rules of tense. When we will change direct narration into indirect narration, then change will be changed in various way, and I have discussed totally in these topics. And dear student, now I can give you some example. Firstly, first one, he said to me, he said to me, I write a letter. Write a letter. I write a letter now. Here, dear students, notice here in this sentence, said to, said is reporting verb, and I write a letter, it is reported speech, and this sentence is assertive, is in assertive sentence, and we have to firstly change reporting verb. That means if the sentence is if the reported speech is in assertive sentence, then we have to change said to into told. That means said to would be told. He told me, and comma will be changed, and we have to write down that instead of comma. And I here, I is first person, and it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. That means he. I will be changed into he. And I write a letter. Here, this main verb write is in present tense. That means present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. Then I can write down write will be changed into wrote. Wrote a letter. Wrote a letter, and now will be changed into then. Next example. Kamal said to me, Kamal said to me, you are very brilliant. Brilliant student. You are a very brilliant student. Dear students, here notice here this sentence is in assertive sentence, so we can write down we can change said to into told. The Kamal told me that. Dear students, in this sentence you is in second person, and it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. That means you will be changed into I. That means after that I have to write down the subjective form of me. Here me is objective form, and you will be changed into I, because I have to write down the subjective form of me. Next, you are very brilliant student. That means Amizar would be changed into was were, so I can write down was. A very brilliant student. Brilliant student. Next example. He said to me, I finished my homework. I finished my homework. Dear students, in this sentence we can change said to into told, because I finished my work is in assertive sentence. So he told me that I will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. That means he. So I can write down he. And here finished is I finished my homework. This sentence is in present past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense would be changed into past perfect tense. So he had finished my first person, and it will be changed according to the subject. So my is possessive, and we have to write down the possessive form of he. That means he had finished his homework. homework. Dear students, I can give you letters, I can give you also more examples. Dear students, follow to me. I strongly believe that that I have taught you is totally clear to you. So I request you to memorize all kinds of rules of narration, and you have to practice from your model question, allow her to be expert in this item. And I want to give you some suggestion. That means, dear students, মাদক আমাদের দেশে সমাজের প্রত্যেকটা সেক্টরে পৌঁছে গেছে। এই জন্যে আমি তোমাদের অনুরোধ করব মাদক থেকে দূরে থাকো এবং সমাজকে শান্তিপূর্ণ রাখো। সো থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ অল।